Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You want usable results fast. Pick a macro lens or add extension tubes for one magnification, then mount the camera on a solid tripod. Set aperture around f/8 to f/16 to balance sharpness and depth of field. Choose a low ISO like 100/400 and switch to live view or mirror lockup to cut vibration. Position continuous or flash lighting with a diffuser. Once done, compose tightly, fill the frame, and lock exposure before you move to precise focusing. Now refine sharpness and exposure. Switch to manual focus and use live view magnification or focus, peaking to land the plane of focus exactly where you want it. Make small adjustments with a focusing rail or by gently moving the camera. Once a shot is sharp, lock settings. For exposure control, use flash output or adjust shutter speed and keep ISO low. If depth of field is limited, capture a sequence of overlapping focus frames for stacking. Make sure lighting and composition remain identical across frames. Finish by reviewing images at full magnification on a computer to confirm critical sharpness and clean edges. If you shot a focus stack, run alignment and stacking software, then apply local sharpening, noise reduction, and subtle color correction to bring out texture. Export high-resolution files and back them up. If results look soft, troubleshoot. Verify no wind, disable image stabilization on tripod, use mirror lockup or a remote trigger, and increase flash sync or shorten exposure to eliminate blur.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.